Hello everyone, let's start our chapter 4 agriculture. Today we discuss about the agriculture system between USA and India. So if we talk about the development of agricultural development, so with the increase of population, okay, uh, world, the demand of food and other necessity requirement has grown. Man has coped with this problem and improving the method and increase the production. Okay, this can be achieved in many such as like increasing the cropped area, number of crop grown, improving irrigation facility, and use of fertilizer and high yielding variety of seeds. It means the farmers start using HYV seeds. It's mean ki, on same piece of land, they increase production. Mechanization of the agriculture is also the another aspect of agricultural development. The ultimate aim, what is the aim of this? To agriculture development, to increase the food security. As in the starting I told you that as the population grow, so it is our responsibility to fulfill the demand of this uh, population. We need to develop agriculture system. We need to increase food security. Now the question is, what is the food security? Food security exists when all people at all time have access to sufficient safe nutrition food. Means accessibility, availability, or affordability. Means that food is available for all, availability, affordable, that the price of the food, the cost of the food is afforded by all, and accessibility, it reach to all people easily. So the affordability, availability, and accessibility is mean the food security. It should be sufficient, safe, and nutrition food to meet the dietary need and the food preferences for an active and healthy life. It is the responsibility of the government to provide the food to all citizens of their area. So agriculture development increase the food security. If we have a sufficient quantity food according to the population, so after that we can achieve all these affordability, accessibility, and availability. Now the agriculture had different pace in different part of the world. It is not evenly, because the crop it depend on the climate of that area, the land form of that area, and the temperature and rainfall. Developing country with a large population usually practice intensive agriculture, where crop are grown on small holding, mostly for subsistence. Large holding are more suitable for commercial agriculture. Commercial agriculture is very common in USA, Australia, where the farmer work as not as a farmer, they work as an entrepreneur, as a big businessman. Their area is large comparatively India system. For India and other form of USA, let us understand the agriculture in developing and the developed country. So a farm in India, let's talk. There is a small village, Adilabad in Ghaziabad here. So that is a district. Where is Adilabad? In Ghaziabad. Ghazipur is in Uttar Pradesh district. Munna Lal is a small farmer in the village who has farmland is about 1.5 hectare. Everyone underline this uh, data, that the Munna Lal, the area of his land is 1.5 hectares, because earlier you will get that the America US farmer having 300 hectare. So his house in the main village, he purchased high yielding variety of seed, which we can say H for high, yielding for Y, and variety for V. HYV seed. HYV. For this, in this way, the farmer increased the protection on same piece of land. So they buy this market very alternate year. The land is fertile and they grow at least 2 crops in a year. This is the another way to increase the production. They grow 2 crops in a year on same piece of land. Because we can't increase the piece of land, that is limited on land, and the people have money to that. If we talk about the small farmer, so he if he want to increase the piece of land, so one person who want to sold and one is who want to purchase, so 2 persons should be there. The farmer take advice of his friend and elder as well as government agriculture officer regarding the farming system. So he takes the tractor on rent. So Munna Lal, what? He's not having tractor, but he take the tractor on lease or rent for plowing his field. So the sum was his friend, but you can see in this picture, figure number 4.14, the one of his friend is still using traditional way of for tilling the land. He using bullock for plowing. This is the tubewell in his nearby field and where he take on rent to irrigate his field. So he tries best to use his modern techniques to for farming. Munna Lal also has 2 buffalo and a few hens. So in this way, he also indulge in other activity, in other farming activity. He sell milk in the cooperative store. Cooperative store, those help the organization, those help the farmer to purchase their farmer product on accurate price. To in this way they can prevent the market from black marketing or for exploitation. They stop, okay, in this way. So the cooperative store located in nearby town, he is a member of cooperative society which also advise him on the type of fodder of his animal. Why it is mentioned over here? Because which kind of fodder he provide to their animal, that after that the animal provide them the product. Okay, so the safety measure to protect the health of the livestock and artificial insemination is also he adopt for his farming way. All the member of his family help in the various form of activity, farm activity. Sometimes he takes credit from bank and on agriculture cooperative society and to buy HYV seeds in implement. I tell you one thing, before 2 days, I was busy in one interview, watching one interview of IS officer. So the jury asked from him that why you belong to the one farmer family, but you mention over here your father income, not your mother income. So he said, yes, I mentioned wrong. I did wrong it. Can you, any one of you tell me why? Because the whole family is involved in this farm activity. In a small farmer, the whole family involved in this farmer farm activity. Here is written, na, the all member of the family helping the farmer. Same with that person who is giving the interview. So that is why jury asked कि आपने यहाँ पर मदर की occupation mention क्यों नहीं की? This is wrong ना? अगर मदर भी काम कर रही है, फादर भी काम कर रहे हैं फार्म लैंड पे, तो वो दोनों की इनकम है. We should try to change our ideology. That is the other part of the society. मैं आपको इससे थोड़ा अलग ले गई, कोई बात नहीं. But I want to clear this कि it's mean the all member are employed on this land. Am I right? Sometime he take credit भी लेता है, loan भी लेता है. Now he sell his produce in the mandi. Mandi means market located, which is located near his town. The majority of the farmer don't have lack of storage facility. Yes, you look at this thing. So the Indian farmer have this kind of problem that they don't have storage facility. So that time they forced to sell their produce even when the market is not favorable. Favorable mean here when he not get sufficient price of his product, his produce. तो मजबूरी में forcefully he have to be sell his produce on market favorable, not on his wish price. Okay, so in recent area, so that is why the government has taken a step to develop storage facilities. In this way, they can store their produce. When they will get the market in his favor, then that time they will can sell their produce if they have that storage facility. Okay, so the government can help the farmer in many ways. They provide loan. They also try to develop storage facility. They also organize cooperative bank, and the farmer official, those time to time spread awareness about the system, farming system to the farmers. Okay, now let's talk about the farm in the USA. So the average size of the farm in USA is a larger than that of an Indian farm. Look at the typical farm size of the USA is a 250 hectare, where India farmer के पास कितनी थी? Only 1.5 hectares. You can imagine the big difference between it. So the USA farmer, the typical mineral की अधिकतर they have USA about 250 hectare. The farmer generally reside in the farm, and some major crop grown like corn, soya bean, wheat, cotton, and sugar beet. Now here they talk about the Joe Horan of a farmer or Midwest USA, lower state. Uske how much land he has? He have 300 hectare of land. It is it is too large. It is not managed by a single man. So which kind of techniques is used to take care his land? So he grow a cone on his land after making sure that the soil and the water resource meet the needs of his this crop. So for this, the educate measure he has taken to control the pests that can damage. Pests do the छोटे छोटे कीड़े जो crop को damage कर सकते हैं. And also he time to time he sent the soil sample of his land to soil testing laboratory to check the whether the land is nutritious or the fertile or not, the nutrient are sufficient or not, and soil nutrient are sufficient or not. So the result helped the Joe Horan to plan a scientific fertilizer program. His computer, look at here, his computer is linked with the satellite, because it is not easy job to check the 300 hectare in a day. Okay, so he set his computer system, and that system is linked to the satellite, which gave him to precise picture of his land. So he take care his land with the help of this computer. This help him to use chemical fertilizer and pesticides wherever they require. कि यहाँ पर if we observe in computer that area is damaged by pest, so he can use pesticide over there. So with the help of computer, he come to know na. He used tractor, seed drill, leveler, combined agriculture operation. You can see he used different kind of modern machines. A grain are stored in automated grain stone. You see where the Indian farmer forced to sell their produce because they don't have storage facility. So he should sell their product in market, not favorable market price. But here the USA farmer having storage facility, dispatched to the market agency. The farmer in USA work like a businessman, not like a peasant farmer. I hope it is under you can observe or analyze the difference between the USA farmer and India farmer.